Hi, this video will demonstrate how to connect Akuvox 2-wire devices for an apartment project. In this demonstration, we'll need the Akuvox 2-wire R20A, 2-wire C313W, NS2, and a power adapter which can be 48 volts or 24 volts. The NS2 will provide both power and network connectivity for the 2-wire devices. Ensure you have all devices and tools ready. There are two methods to connect the 2-wire devices, connecting them in series or individually. Please refer to the wiring diagram of the first method. Please note that each NS2 can connect up to 6 2-wire devices, and the longest distance varies by the adapter's voltage and cable gauge. First, connect the 2 PLC ports of the door phone to those of the indoor monitor with the 2-wire cable. Press and hold the port buttons while inserting the cable, and release the buttons once the cable is fully inserted. Gently pull the cable to ensure a secure connection. Next, use another 2-wire cable to connect the door phone to the NS2 through the PLC ports. Ensure the connection is secured before proceeding to the next step. To power on the system, connect the power adapter's positive wire and negative one to the NS2, through the 48-volt and the GND ports respectively. Then, plug an Ethernet cable into the NS2's network port and power on the device. The button of the door phone and the screen of the indoor monitor light up, indicating the devices are powered on. The second method is to connect each device separately to the NS2. Please refer to the wiring diagram. Each NS2 can power up to 6 devices, and the maximum distance between devices depends on the adapter's voltage and cable gauge. Thank you for watching.